Hi guys, welcome to another new video, and today we are doing a review of drone which is Mavic Air, and we are super excited to review this one. और आज हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे अलग अलग मोड्स जो ऑलरेडी इसके अंदर हैं, and how exactly they are operated and how exactly they look in the videos. So we are super excited to show you this one and review this one. So let's go. So this is how exactly it looks like. Device आती है जहाँ पे you can connect with your phone, और आपको एक ऐप है इंस्टॉल करनी पड़ती है, and then you have to place the drone right over there नीचे, and you just have to make sure कि जब भी आप drone place कर रहे हो you don't have anything else surrounded with this, क्योंकि उसको बहुत गैप चाहिए होता है, बहुत स्पेस चाहिए होती है. So you guys can see कि यहाँ पे 6 अलग अलग तरह के modes हैं, और the one which we're gonna use first is the Dronie, ये वाला यहाँ पे, and we will show you how exactly it looks when we actually use this mode. So once you click the mode, फिर आपको सिर्फ subject को highlight करना पड़ता है, like how he exactly did, green वाला highlight करके, and then you just press go. And then they give you the countdown, and here you go, rest. They do it all for you. See, this is how it actually looks like. Now it's coming back. Now the Dronie mode is all done. Now the next one, we're gonna show you guys the circle. There's a second mode which is circle, so we're gonna show how exactly it's gonna work. यहाँ पे भी once you click the mode, you just have to highlight the subject, और फिर you just have to press go, and it gives you the countdown as well. You guys can see how it's going in the circle right over there. We will show you the footage as well. Now since the circle is done, we are moving to Helix, and we are pressing this mode, and we will press OK. और इसमें भी you just have to highlight the subject and press go, and this is how the footage will look like then. And now we are moving to the fourth mode, which is rocket, right over there, and let's see how this one looks like. This mode just goes straight up like a rocket, so as it calls rocket as well. Now the next one is boomerang. This is the fifth mode. Now we're gonna show you guys the last mode, which is called Asteroid, and this is a pretty nice feature, I would say, and it just gives the whole look of the entire place. Right now it's just clicking the 360 view all around, and once it's done, then in the final video they actually merge it all together, and it looks just beautiful in the final video. If you want to control manually, you can just control through these buttons. You can just take it like to right or left, straight, up, down, however you want, and you can manage it manually as well. And right now he's just gonna land the drone, and the way he's gonna land is through this. So guys, this brings to an end, and if you guys are into video making, we would highly recommend to buy this one. As you guys saw, it's pretty useful gadget, you know, you guys can utilize this one in many different ways, and trust me, it's a personal experience, it's a good investment. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share as usual, and we will be back with another awesome video. Till then, bye.